Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, here we have a teeny tiny package that's supposed to be inside here, a brand new phone from 10 years ago for only $10. So let's see if it's what's inside here, shall we? Grab the knife here, a little bit rusted. Let's cut them open. So yes, this is supposed to be a brand new phone, but there's no box. You can tell how tiny the packaging is. So let's see here. Let's pull this up. Oh, there's the device. I can tell. Let's grab these like that. So it's still a secret. All right, pull them up. All right, and I think we have the charger. Look at that. No, that's all. Okay, and we also have a pair of headphones that is connected to it. You see there? So let's go ahead and open it up. Open it up here. Bam. Alright, there's another bubble wrap. Bam. 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 Look at this. So this is a Samsung Galaxy S3 Mini, yo, that I got for only $10. Brand new, at least from the seller here. Let me show you guys here. So here you go. I got it from an online Shopee store, all right, in Indonesia. It's cost 162 bucks, which I think they still have one right now still. Oh, they upped the price. So I got one for much cheaper. For $10 here, the Galaxy S3 Mini for in my place still sells around 300,000 rupees up to 500,000 rupees, man. And that's condition is not gonna be, not that good. Oh, it was scripted. Alright, it's not gonna be that good, but this one is new. Supposedly, let's give it a quick check here. Check it on the baggie. Ooh, okay. Samsung. Okay, this is not new. I thought this is gonna be brand new, but you get some marks there, some marks and dings, and more dings right there. So that's a bit sucks. Let's see here, because I found one video from YouTube who claimed that this is brand new, and from the how do you call it? From the video, it looks like a brand new S3 Mini. I don't know if that's a factory seal or a store seal, but that has been broken off. Bunch of micro scratches, and the sides is not good. Keep me for open mind here. $10. Alright, let's turn the phone on here in 3, 2, 1. Okay, vibrates. S3 Mini. Okay, looks like this screen is an AMOLED screen, but there's already worth something at least. So I guess an AMOLED screen for this phone, I don't think we'll go up to $10, right? Okay, so here we are at the setup screen. So let me set up the phone here real quick here. Let me see here. Do not show again. Oh yeah, no. Oh, this is maybe Jelly Bean. So the settings, dot device. Oh yeah, 4.1.2. My bad. So yeah, I mean, let's just do a quick little normal check here. Let's go into Wi-Fi. All right, there it goes. All right, so it detects as Wi-Fi, which is pretty good. This phone doesn't have auto brightness, huh? All right, so let's go ahead and open up camera here. Oh, yeah, I mean the camera is, well, it's kind of shaky, but it's pretty good. Let's check the microphone here. It works. So camera works, microphone works, I really try the front cam works, and yeah, it's just I got scammed apparently, because I thought this is gonna be brand new. I will put up a screenshot here of a video that I found that this is actually brand new, as I thought so called brand new, but well, here's the device and it's not brand new. And look at this, the comparison between the normal S3 and the S3 Mini here. You can see there, that's pretty like it's like the S3 chopped up in half. Let's just on the screen here. You can see there, yeah, it's like the S3 chopped up in half, and we got the S3 Mini.
Day 3.
Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days that I got this phone. In fact, I got this glow in the dark case.
Whoa, mate, check that out, mate.
And yes, since this phone is, it's kind of old, and if you update the Play Store, everything will be not so good, and performance will be terrible, and Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, you can't really install any more apps. We're gonna go ahead and root this phone, and we're gonna put on a custom ROM on it. Let's go. Alright guys, after some searching on XDA later on, I found some ROMs that there is some development on this S3 Mini. Alright, the i8-190. We got some thunderstorm in the background here, so hopefully nothing too bad. So I found two things here. So one of them I found is Lineage OS 15.1, Alright, it's from 3 Light King 148. So thank you to 3 Light King 148 for keeping this archive folder still on Android Powerhouse. So we got CF13, which is 6.0.1, 14.1, and Lineage OS 13, 14.1 Android 7. We have also here 15.1, which I just downloaded, which is Android 8 maybe, I don't know. And that's the latest one. Yeah, from all of these builds here, that is the latest one, which is from October 30, 2018. And also found this website here, it's called novafusion.pl. But as you can see from this recent post, they are shutting down on August 3rd, 2021. So I do find their download links here, S3 Mini. There's this bunch of these old ROMs here, 5.0. Right, now we're gonna press on volume down, power and home to go to download mode together here, and bam, volume up. You can see there, Samsung official. Alright guys, so after some more digging around, I found TWRP 3.2 tar file for the S3 Mini 8190. So click on AP, hit on this one, 3.22, open. Alright, and hit on start. Grab the phone, reset. Okay, volume up, power home to go to recovery. Okay, we vibrate. Tuerku. Oh, that's a bad sign, yo. Okay, let's try 2.8.7.3 here. What? Where's the power button? Oh no! Yo, we broke the power button, yo. Yo, we broke the power button. Oh no, the power button got stuck. Oh. Okay, there's the button right there. It's got in there too much. So we're gonna see if it works without the buttons. And press the power button like that. And there we go. Vibrates. Let go. And that effort's were for nothing. The phone's still bootlooping. I'm gonna flash TWRP 2.8 this time. Let's see if that works. Okay, I got 2.8.7.3 here. Looks like no. Oh, it works. Team Win Recovery Project. Hey, 2.8.7.3 works, guys. With a broken power button. Let's go ahead and wipe. Advanced wipe, Dalvik, system, cache, data, internal storage, swipe to wipe. Okay, install micro SD card. Okay, there's our things. Let's try 15.1. Confirm flash. Okay, and what does it say? Setup wizard detecting problem with Mali. Click on next. It takes a while to boot too. Okay, so this is Android 8. Brightness doesn't work. The sound looks like it's not working here on Android 8. Yeah, sound is not working on Android 8, and there's no camera app, which is probably mean that the how do you call it, the phone doesn't work. So hopefully I can go to developer options. Settings has stopped. That's great. I'm gonna change to Lineage OS 14, Android 7 here. Volume up, home. Okay, keep holding. Let's go wipe, advanced wipe, Delphix, this. Wipe. Where's the wipe button? There we go. Home, install. Let's go to Lineage OS 14.1 here. Okay, we are booted now on Lineage OS. Can I hit next, please? Thank you very much. Skip anyway. Looks like Wi-Fi work, which is good. Start. Oh, it's kind of laggy, yo. Okay, we got the camera app. Let's see, brightness works on here. Yes, brightness does work. Let's go to settings. Okay. Sound works. You can see here with Android 7.1.2 with patch of 2017. Yeah, it's kind of alright-ish. I mean, again here, this phone is 1 gig of RAM with 8 gigs of storage. It's about to load. There we go. Camera works with the flash also working. Okay, testing 1 2 3. Okay, testing 1 2 3. So there you go, guys. That's the $10 Samsung Galaxy S3. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? Especially after the buttons just stop working by itself. A nice small phone that runs Android 7, you know, much better than running Android 4.1.2. Let me know in the comments if this phone is actually worth it for $10. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Stop touching yourself, S3. Peace.